Welcome to Lesson 2, Joining Chapter Audio Files. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to import and convert multiple chapter files from your audiobook into a single file using the free program Audacity that you should now have downloaded. We start by opening Audacity and the folder that contains your audio files. To import the files into Audacity, you simply click and drag them individually or use Ctrl-A to select all files and pull them into the dashboard. Just make sure that before you do that, they're in the correct order of play. With a book this size, which is just over 6 hours worth of audio, it'll take about 45 seconds for them to finish arriving on the dashboard. Okay, so now you can see the files in the Audacity dashboard. Even though I checked they were in order before I imported them, I'm going to make sure they're still in that order before I begin the mixing process. You can use zoom in or zoom out as a preference, but I like to use zoom out so that it looks a little tidier and you can see more of the individual files. Once you've double-checked the order, you're ready to join the tracks. The first thing we have to do is align them end to end so that one chapter starts when another ends. To do this, you need to select all tracks by using Ctrl-A. We then go up to this menu at the top, click Tracks, Align Tracks, and then click Align End to End. What you can see now is that the tracks are stepped, each one starting when the previous one finishes. Now, the final step is to bring these tracks all together in one MP3 file. To do this, we go back to the menu at the top and click Tracks, then Mix and Render. It's going to take about a minute, and it tells you the remaining and elapsed time here. We'll just skip ahead for now. And here we have the completed single MP3 file. As you can see, this one is just over 6 hours and it's ready for export. To export, you go to File, Export, Export as an MP3. You'll then get an option about where to export. I'm going to just put this one on my desktop. And once that file's exported, it's essentially ready for import and use in your video creation software. Let's move on to Lesson 3, Creating Your First Audiobook Video.